Today guys, try naman natin gumawa ng Starbucks inspired matcha pineapple refresher. We're gonna use matcha powder. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon. Yan. For 1 teaspoon matcha powder, I'm gonna use 1 ounce of maligamgam na tubig. Medyo mainit na tubig. Para madali matunaw yung ating matcha powder, kailangan maligamgam na tubig talaga yung gamitin natin. I don't like this spoon. Wait. Tunawin natin ng mabuti. Make sure na natunaw lahat yung powder nyo. Maglalagay tayo ng ice cube dito sa ating baso. Tama na muna yan. Lalagay tayo ng about 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. And then I'm gonna add 2/3 cup of coconut milk. Ayan. Ilalagay na rin natin yung ating matcha na natunaw na natin kanina. I don't fruit my matcha. I have a fruiter but I don't wanna fruit it. So, ayan lang guys. Gawa na ang ating Starbucks inspired matcha pineapple refresher. And tikman na natin. Tama lang siya. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Tama lang siya sa panlasa ko. I don't really like something very, very sweet. Masarap guys.